machine is powered by 220 volts. The voltage at the construction site needs to be kept stable. Due to the circulating water cooling, the water joints have no direction requirement. The colors of the positive and negative interfaces match the plugs. The largest raised part of the amp connector corresponds to the notch of the amp socket. There are large and small notches on both sides of the fixture, and the large notch is close to the buckle position. Clamp the flip covers on both sides to maintain the standard concentricity of the pipe. The height of the tungsten electrode is 1.5 to 2.0 millimeters. The tip of the tungsten electrode should be aligned with the weld seam. Connect a 6 millimeter air pipe. Turn on the automatic programming and enter the model of the welding torch, the pipe diameter, and the wall thickness in use. Click Confirm and enter the transformation interface. Click to set it to the welding mode.